Now, before we start our video, let me give you a little insight about our Moroccan traditional spa. Every single weekend, you'll find a bunch of women, men, and children heading out to the local hammam in their neighborhood. And hammam is basically the original name of the Moroccan spa. There, they will be getting off all the stress of the whole week and all the hardships they've gone through the time they've spent. And they will relax. It's very cheap, it's very affordable, and in every neighborhood you'll find one. People bring their own equipments, their own tools, their own items. All they need there is just to get the water they want. You'll find cold water, hot water, and also you'll find a lot of steam as if you were in a professional sauna. Now, when you go there, you'll find people trying to help you, people trying to get all the things that you need to prepare and fulfill the best relaxing experience. They will try to help you rub your back, rub your body for you. Sometimes it could be free. If somebody knows you, they'll help you just for that. But if it's for money, then it's somebody who is already there taking care of those kind of things. Now, women shower alone, and also men shower alone. You don't have to be, for example, adult or a teenager to go there, but basically, in every age, every woman, every man, every children can go to have the best relaxing experience while taking care, of course, of their body and skin. And today, we will do the same thing. We will bring you the experience of the Moroccan spa to your house.